the matter, officer? I got a bad back.
A man in Putnam County is being held without bond due to not cooperating with investigators after he was charged with possessing an explosive aggravated battery, trafficking methamphetamine, and illegal possession of a gun silencer.
Come on. Whose tag's on this car?
My ex-wife.
Okay, well, why is her tag on your truck?
I send her the money every month.
It's not registered to this truck.
Don't even tell me that.
I'm telling you, man. You got your license on you?
Yes, sir, I do. Give me just a second.
And you got the registration?
Come for you. Tell you at home.
Where were you headed, buddy? Can I open the door?
Yeah, go ahead. Lowe's?
You were headed to Lowe's?
Yep.
Lowe's
That's
where?
the wrong way.
Yeah, you're not even freaking close to Lowe's.
I've only lived down here 4 years. I ain't been to Lowe's 10 times.
Oh. Where are you coming from?
Oh, what the hell is it? I have to look at my phone.
Anything in the car you know about? Guns, drugs, bombs,
I got
dope?
a 22 pistol right there in the seat.
Okay, well, don't grab
That's
it.
legal. I'm not retarded.
No dope or nothing in the car?
No, sir.
You don't use drugs?
No.
Have you ever?
I smoke weed, yeah.
Okay, I was gonna ask. Is there any weed in here?
A couple roaches, maybe. That.
Yeah, I thought I could smell some.
I ain't lying about nothing.
Okay. So when I search the car, am I gonna find anything?
No, you go right ahead.
Cool. I can search it? I can search the car? So what are these dope baggies in this cigarette pouch right here for? You use cocaine as well?
No. I got 6 heart attacks.
Okay. Well, what does that have to do with the 3 baggies with the white substance in that cigarette pouch right there?
Don't know.
Hop out for me, Bubba.
Yes, sir.
Listen, man, I don't want to take you to jail, but if you're not going to be honest with me, man, you're going to go to jail.
No.
Okay? So why don't you be honest with me? Okay, is there any crack or cocaine in this car you need to tell me
No,
about?
sir.
Okay, then what's in that?
Whatever. I couldn't tell you there. I don't always have the truck.
Okay. Because I don't believe that story, to be honest.
No, I can pee in a cup and all that.
That doesn't do anything for me. See these little dime baggies?
Yep.
These aren't yours.
Oh, yeah, them are mine. I ain't gonna lie, I had them for weed.
Weed? There's nothing in them. I guess the white stuff I saw was like dust or something.
Yeah, I've been cutting wood for the last 3 months.
Have you ever used cocaine or anything?
When I was about 19 years old.
Okay, anything in your pockets?
Money. Making sure I ain't got no pocket knife or nothing. Cigarettes.
Sierra 1429 to 2729 my number. Lima. Who are you on the phone with, brother?
Pardon me?
Who are you on the phone with?
No, I'm giving you you asked me where I was coming
Oh, the
from.
red.
I was showing you.
Oh, here, walk back here for me.
I've been paying this every freaking month.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on, man. $300 West River Road?
Yes, sir. I got that property there.
Gotcha. Okay.
I got property in Pomona Park. And I've been cutting trees down there and trees down on my car.
Holy crap!
Yeah, it's better than falling on me.
Yeah, that's fair. I agree. I wouldn't want nothing to happen to you. That didn't sound good. I can search pockets?
Yeah. I got money.
Dang, I wish I had that much money.
That ain't much, it's one.
Good.
It's mostly one. Money, I'm pretty cheap.
So, I'm gonna put this back in your pockets here. Oh goodness!
Can I set my phone or something like that?
Yeah, of course, man.
I had it in different pockets.
No, you're fine, brother. That ain't illegal to possess money. Like I said, I wish I had some money.
It's pretty close to the first of the month, so that's the only reason I got it.
Oh, I gotcha.
I'm getting caught up on my project.
Here, walk up here with me. Will you stand in the front of the truck?
I got this truck there a couple months ago.
You're not a convicted felon or nothing, are you?
I've never been arrested in my life.
Good. Yeah, you do got these little dime baggies everywhere. Will you stand
I
at...
got some in the store one time and it blew all over the place.
Stand at the front for me.
I ain't never cleaned the truck out.
Oh, yeah?
I bought it from a gentleman that owned the junk yard. Stunk bad, and I just sprayed the seats down is all I did. This was the open right here.
To be honest with you, I'm not sure. Your guess is as good as mine.
See it on there. I go on, you think?
I mean, yeah.
Thank you.
1429, 99 on a signal 0.
You tell me where the government building is now?
500-574-170. Looks like a Ruger 22. Come on. Yeah, there's your roach.
I told you, I didn't lie about it.
No, you didn't. I knew I could smell it. Yeah? What kind of pipe is this?
Not a clue. I hadn't been in the truck.
That's a methamphetamine pipe, sir.
I've had 6 heart attacks. I ain't smoking no meth.
Well, it looks like you are. There's your weed. Listen, man, is there any meth in here? Just be real with me, brother.
I'm serious as a heart attack. No,
Listen, this is a meth pipe, okay?
Yeah.
There's methamphetamine in that, okay? So if you would just be honest with me, I will help you out. But if you do not be honest,
I
man,
ain't being totally honest.
You're
I'm
not.
playing with stuff. There's no meth in there.
when's the last time you smoked meth?
Yes.
Is there any chance I'm going to find meth in this car?
No, there is not.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How sure are you?
Very sure.
All right,
I
well,
wouldn't have nothing in that car. I'm surprised the pipe was in there.
so you smoked methamphetamine yesterday. Use any other kind of drugs?
No, sir. Why, prescription?
Yeah, it's good. Whoa! What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
You got a fire extinguisher?
1429.
What the hell was that?
Start fire. Something just exploded in this truck. I'm 77. It went off on me. I don't know what it was, but yeah, 77 for now.
I thought it was an airbag. Okay, listen.
What the fuck was that, man? Hey, Hey, come here. Now, put your hands behind your back.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what the fuck that was, man.
Easy, I got the spoon. Which way?
Fucking sit right there. Fuck.
I honestly don't know what the hell that was. It's nasty smelling. Could you put them in the front?
No, fuck you. God.
What the hell was that?
Fuck if I know. How the fuck you think I would know? There's a gun in there too. I have no fucking idea, dude. I was fucking leaning over the driver's seat and something fucking blew up all over me. Yeah, it's like in my fucking lungs or something. He's got fucking, there's meth pipes and fucking baggies and shit. I don't fucking know, dude. I have literally no fucking clue. I didn't have time to look at anything. Like it's all my fucking eyes and shit, dude. Oh, God.
That could blow up. I've had it a lot of times.
Hackney said that the breezy conditions that day may have diluted the poisonous gas, as the deputy could have sustained more severe damage to his respiratory system.